Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to cancel a reservation on Booking.com as a host. Alright, let's begin. First, log into your Booking.com account. Click on your profile icon at the top right corner and select Bookings or Trips from the drop-down menu. This will take you to a list of your reservations. Find the booking you want to cancel and click to open the reservation details. On the right-hand side, look for the Cancel Your Booking option and click it. Next, select a reason for cancelling from the drop-down menu and click Continue. Booking.com will then display the cancellation details. If the reservation is not eligible for free cancellation, you will see the amount you will be charged. If a refund applies, the details and refund process will be shown. Review this information carefully before proceeding. Once you have checked the details, confirm the cancellation by clicking Cancel Booking. The system will process your request and your reservation will be cancelled. You may also receive a confirmation email from Booking.com shortly after. So, that's basically how you can cancel a reservation on Booking.com as a host. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.